Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn English Toon Studio. Today we will learn English through a story. The title is A Bad Day at Work.
Let's begin.
Mark worked at a marketing company in New York. He looked at the clock. It was 8:15 a.m.
Oh no! I'm late!
Mark ran toward the bus stop.
Wait! Wait!
Traffic was very heavy.
Oh no, not again!
Mark finally at work. Mark finally arrived at work. His boss was standing near the entrance. He wanted some coffee. Someone bumped into him. The laptop screen went black. The file was missing. What am I going to do?
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Everyone worked together. Everyone an idea, Sarah. The presentation came back together.
The meeting finally began.
Excellent work.
Mark sat quietly at his desk. Bad days happen to everyone.
Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary. Punctual, rush.
Punctual. Arriving on time. Mark is usually punctual. Rush. Rush means to move very quickly.
Traffic. Traffic means many vehicles on the road. Ick heavy. Embarrassed means feeling ashamed or Mark felt embarrassed when he
arrived late.
Meet Mark. Presentation. Mark had an important presentation. Client. The clients listened carefully. Teamwork. Teamwork means people working together. Good teamwork helped Mark succeed.
Confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. Example: Mark answered the questions confidently.
Success means achieving a goal. Opportunity means a chance to do something.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English stories from Learn English Toon Studio.